Hey guys, can you guys believe that I'm doing a video right now? I can't. I genuinely can't. I really hope that this like kickstarts my motivation to make more videos, and I hope you guys like it. But Dermablend is sponsoring this video, and I'm doing like a no makeup look. I wanted to show you guys the like before and after results of me using the new Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. Once I put on all my foundation, I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is my skin before. I have a little like eyelashes on. They're Ardell like faux mink demi wispies, I think. And then like a little bit of eyeshadow, and I did my eyebrows. So I'm going to start by, and if there's sound in the back, it's because my kitten is running around and she has a bottle cap. I might just honestly mute this and do a voiceover because she's being very loud, and I think it's pretty loud outside too. So but I did want to do this in natural lighting just to show you guys all my Dermablend products and how they look on skin in natural lighting, not super lit up or anything. So if you want to see how I do it, then keep on watching. First, I'm taking Dermablend's Flawless Creator Foundation in 10N, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Then I'm taking CoverFX's Power Play White Concealer, and I'm just going to brighten up my skin before I put on the setting powder. You want to be in the video so bad? Do you? You're gonna fall. Okay? Here. You're in the video. Say hi! Do you want to be in the video so bad? Ow! Binks, oh my god. Yeah, go. Okay, so I'm taking the Illuminating Banana Powder and I'm pressing that all over my face. This is the final look. This is seriously gonna be my go-to setting powder. It's like, I'm so pale, but this setting powder makes my face look warm. Since it has yellow undertones, I have yellow undertones, but I think it works for yellow undertones, pink undertones, anything. It just makes, it's like not ashy at all. It's just really warm and so soft. Like, it feels like I'm not wearing anything, but I look covered. So anyways, I'm gonna include the link to buy the Dermablend foundation, the Illuminating Banana setting powder, in the description. And if you wanna go to my Instagram, it's instagram.com/MaddieKarina, and I'll have the link in my bio to go buy it as well. And I hope that you guys like this video, and hopefully I will make another video soon. Tell me what you guys want to see. I have no idea. I always ask you guys what you want to see, and you guys always tell me, and then I always forget. So I'm gonna be posting photos of this makeup on my Instagram, so I guess comment on YouTube or on Instagram, doesn't matter, what you guys want to see me do next. If you want me to do a tutorial, if you want me to do a vlog, if you want me to do like a chatty get ready with me. I don't know what the heck I would talk about, so maybe ask me questions, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. So hopefully you guys like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Goodbye.